Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. And today I'm going to show you how to prepare Dream Whip, the boxed whip topping mix. So we've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your Dream Whip. Then we are going to need a ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. However, I always say measure with your heart. And then you're going to need a ½ cup of milk, a bowl to mix everything up in, and unfortunately a hand mixer. You could probably do this with a whisk, because I've made pudding with a whisk and gotten away with it. However, proceed at your own caution. So first thing that we need to do is open up our box of Dream Whip and take out one envelope. If you are using both envelopes, then you will need to double this recipe. We are going to pour our envelope of mix into our bowl. Then we'll add in our ½ cup of milk and ½ teaspoon of vanilla. I only had exactly a ½ teaspoon of vanilla left. If I had had more, I would have put in more though. Anyway, we are now going to grab our hand mixer, pop in your beaters, and then we are going to mix this on low speed just until it is blended together. And then we're going to mix it on high speed for 4 minutes or until the topping thickens and forms soft peaks. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. It's been 4 minutes and this is what it looks like. If I turn it, it is not coming out of the bowl. And if it's making soft peaks, then it's good to go. Now that this is done, you can just go ahead and put it in a container and refrigerate it until you're ready to use. So here we have it, our completed Dream Whip whipped topping mix. If you guys shop for groceries, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we review everyday grocery items and let you know if we would purchase them again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.